Certificate fraud. When it becomes deadly, she rubs her lips when there is trouble. She finds her pocket when there is war. She takes your money for all of this shit now. Don't watch this shit for your son. Don't let them get to you. Don't let them take your money out. Don't let your children watch me as your child. Don't get you wanted. Don't get into the gate. You are not stupid. Turn it off now. There will have nothing more. If everyone does the same, they're going to fail.
Watch for
First up, watch for